As you write, Scrivener records how many words you produce each day. At the end of the year, or when you've completed a project, it can be useful to look back and see when you were most productive. You can see how much you've added to your project, how much you've cut, as well as the total word counts. Open a Scrivener project and choose Project Writing History. A dialog shows you the project's history by month. You can see here that this writer was most productive in June, July, and August of 2023. The different columns show the number of words in the draft, the words written in other folders within the binder, the research folder and any folders outside the draft folder, and the total. The totals take into account what you write and what you delete. So if you write 5,000 words in a month but delete 1,000 words from the draft folder, Scrivener shows a total of 4,000 words. You can change the display by clicking the menu that says Months Only. You can choose Months and Days or Days Only. If you select a day, Scrivener displays more information at the bottom of the dialog, along with the final word count of the draft on that day. If you want to do more with these numbers, click Export and save the data to a CSV file, which any spreadsheet app can open. You can dig deeper into your trends if you want. Writing history is a good way to see when you were productive, and perhaps help you focus on writing in those months and on those days. You don't need to enable anything for Scrivener to record your writing history, and you can check it whenever you want. You can download a 30-day free trial of Scrivener for Mac or Windows at scrivener.com.